Welcome back to another video, guys. It's been a minute since I posted one, but I had a delivery from Peak Design that I really wanted to share with you guys, which is this beautiful stack of accessories. Now, Peak Design is one of my favorite accessory makers of all time. They make so much great stuff for camera gear, and they're now moving into the world of mobile. So they've released a whole series of bits of kit that attach to this wonderful case that they've called the Everyday Case. I love this one because of the size of it, and I haven't been putting a case on it because I didn't want to add too much bulk. But I love how sleek they've managed to make this case. It doesn't feel like it's adding too much extra heft to the device itself. It's got a really nice nylon material on it, and it feels super tough, good to grip, and it's got this ceramic ring that is which I guess is the key to this whole set of accessories, and it allows you to attach your device to all of these things here. So I'm going to go through them one by one so you can see what they've got in their whole range. First up, we have the stand wallet, which, as you can guess, is a wallet and a stand, which is super cool. I like products that give you more than one benefit, and if you're the kind of person that likes to have their cards with them and doesn't want to carry an extra wallet, this is a great solution. So you've got that wallet there for all your business cards and bank cards, and then you can turn it into a stand, and it rotates 360 degrees as well. So say if you're on a train or just at your desk, you've got a really cool stand that you can have without having to carry an extra accessory. So I like that, really clever. If you didn't want to go for that, they have a mobile tripod for this as well, which is super cool. Say if you wanted to do a time lapse or something like that, you can set your phone down, stick that on there, and you've got a tripod for your phone. Actually, should I get them out? Yeah, fuck it, I'll get them out. Nice and metal construction, and it's really like, look how thin that is. Thin tripod. It's got these really clever little legs on the back that come out like that, and it's magnetic as well, so it sticks to the back of the device like that, and it holds pretty firm. Like, it's a really good design, solid magnet. And like I said, whoop, shit, that's my phone. And I dropped it, but the case is still on there. I just love the design of it as well. It doesn't add too much size. Even if you had the case on it with this, it doesn't make your phone that much thicker. And you wouldn't really walk around with your phone on that anyway, but that's what it looks like when it's on the device. It's not too big. And if you wanted to use it, you just pop the legs down like that, and you got a stand. It's quite cute. Don't fall. There you go. Magic. Let's open the next one. Let's go back to the stand wallet because I didn't even show you guys that one. But I like the look of this. It's quite clever. So that is the stand wallet. Again, super thin. Doesn't add much size to the back of the phone. Let's pop it on the back so you can see. That's what it looks like when it's on the device. And it's got your card holder area there. And to open it out as a stand, there you go. That's pretty cool. I like that. And it rotates. Oh, well, I guess you don't need to, doesn't matter which side it is because the phone's magnetic itself, right? So there you go. You can use it in any orientation. And again, the magnet is it's not going anywhere. That's pretty decent. So yeah, I like that. Here we have the universal adapter. Okay, so that's really cool. So if you've already got a case that you like for your iPhone 13 or whatever device you have, if you already have a case you like, then they've created a universal adapter that you can stick to another case. And that works just like that attachment does there. So you can put all of these same accessories on here, and it's magnetic as well. So that is quite cool. If you don't want to get the everyday case, they've got a solution for you as well. So that's the universal adapter. I don't need to open that because that's just a square cut out version of that, I guess. This is the box for my everyday case that I got a bit carried away and opened before I started recording because I was excited about it. But yeah, that is the box for the everyday case. Also, one of the things I actually wanted to mention, I love the minimal packaging, and everything's recyclable. There's no plastic here. So even that loop at the top is some kind of twisted paper. And there's no plastic inside. There's no plastic inside. Everything in here is paper. Which, again, I love that companies like Peak Design. are making an effort to reduce the amount of plastic waste that we have. And little things like that are why I will keep coming back to this brand and picking up their goods, because they are being conscious about the things that they produce. Here is the universal bar mount. I am a cyclist. If you've seen me and my mate bike out and about on the road, I love to cycle everywhere. So this is a really cool accessory that I'm going to get the most out of. So this is the universal bar mount that you can use to wrap around the bar of your bike. And again, like I said before, you've got that mount that attaches. And if you look on the back here, as well as the security of the magnet, you've got a bit you can push in, and there's two clasps that grip the inside of that square. So the magnet isn't the only thing that you're relying on to secure your device. They've also got that for extra security, and that really isn't going anywhere. Like, I'm pulling on that relatively hard. I don't want to break it, but if you're cycling, you don't have to worry about the magnet falling off and losing strength. So that is really cool. And it is, you just squeeze it and remove it. That's super easy to remove. So that's cool. That's the universal bar mount. Next up, we have a car mount, which does the same kind of thing as the wallet case and the tripod stand. It is just a sticky thing that goes on your car, and it's magnetic, and then that you can just pop your phone on that. And again, it's quite simple, quite straightforward. No bells and whistles required. Next up is the wireless charging stand. And as someone who works from home, this is brilliant, because I also have lost my iPhone charger, which is really annoying, but I always misplace them. So a wireless charging stand I can have at my desk is great. Let's open this up. So in the box for this, there is a cable. Again, those stupid plastic things to keep the cable wrapped. It's just wrapped like that. You know when you order stuff and they give you extra plastic around the cables? Not necessary, as Peak Design have proved. I think that is it. So yeah, you've got cable and the wireless charging plate here. It's really hefty. So to connect this, there's a little port at the back. You plug in the cable there, and then the phone just rests there and works like a stand. So again, really slick, really simple, no nonsense, solid construction, great job. So that is all of the accessories from Peak Design's mobile series, I guess, if you want to call it. If you have any comments or questions, again, put those in the area below, and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as possible. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the build quality of these. I love the packaging, that it's zero plastic. They're all quite simple, and they're very small. They don't add much size to your device, which for me is critical, especially with a device like the iPhone 13 mini. Also, I'll put a link in the description area if you want to pick these up for yourself. But I'm really impressed with the quality of them. I love that they don't add much size to your device as well. And the build quality seems solid on all of them. And I also love that the packaging doesn't use any unnecessary plastics at all. So that's fantastic. But yeah, that's it. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.